save the audio of your footage as MP3 or WAV. After doing that, you visit this website, Adobe Podcast. I'll be adding the link to the description. When you get to the website, upload the audio and then give it a few minutes. I think there is a limit to the file size that you can upload. It's about 10 megabytes or so, but upload it and then give it a few minutes to edit. And voila, you have the AI edit your audio this way. You can download it and then import to your editing software. After importing to your editing software, you sync it with your already existing audio, and then you have it. Your audio is back clean and clear.